Hi guys, welcome back to the Sky Show. And today I got the viral dumpling. Okay, so I'm gonna open it now. Okay, this is like
Yeah, you can get another one, okay?
Yes. We're supposed to go shopping tomorrow?
Okay, I love the oh, there's something on it, so let me take it off. Okay, here's the dumpling. Okay, you guys can look first. Oh, I got the blue one! Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I got the viral dumpling. I wish instead of water texture, it would be like a shaving cream texture. But that's okay, because I still got the dumpling.